Welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something. I'm just here to find those AA winners, go getters, trend setting companies. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for today. Today we're talking about an exciting company called Glycomimetic. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So, Glycomimetic, they're really working on first in class E selectin antagonists. Uprolocin. It's currently in phase 3 trials for acute myeloid leukemia. They received breakthrough designation by the FDA and by the Chinese National Medical Product Administration for treatment with patients with adult AML. So really exciting news here. So let's take a look at their leadership team. So outstanding leadership. Harat Sarman John is the CEO. PhD John Magny is the Chief Scientific Officer. Highly qualified management team, really outstanding management team. Like I said, this company, I first started hearing about this company a little while ago. They are basically, this uprolocin is one of their novel medications. And it's basically designed to block this E-selectin binding receptor, um, which the E-selectin is kind of expressed and through the biology that what they're discovered on the surface of different blood vessels, and it's bind um, to those sites, those E-selectin binding sites. It's designed to disrupt the established mechanism of leukemia cell resistance. So pretty exciting stuff. Uh, Not too long ago, they announced results to some of their trials, some information. The results were presented at the 64th American Society of Hematology annual meeting, and it showed that patients, when added with cladribine and cytarabine with uprolocin, uh, patients with treating secondary acute myeloid leukemia, the it was 15 patients. I looked at the data, and 12 following the 3.3 months follow up found with when combined with their uprolocin generated fewer related adverse events, and overall response rate was 62%. And this is a very good result. I mean, a high risk population where sometimes that survival is less than 5 months. I mean, so that's great news, really fantastic news. Um, so I mean, this could be outstanding news for patients, and I mean, this is a first in class medication. um, they have other stuff in the pipeline. Let's take a look at the pipeline. So here's the uprolocin, really outstanding data there. Galactin 3 antagonist, carbohydrate binding protein, overexpressed, shown to play some type of role in fibrosis and cancer. The GM1359 small molecules supposed to also antagonize both that E-selectin and chemoreceptor known as CXCR4, and that's kind of related to cancer cells, bone marrow. So maybe they target both of those. Single compound could improve efficacy in treatment of cancers involving the bone, which would be amazing. And then they had the GM 1359 phase one randomized trial going on for that one. So phase one, phase three. Uh, this one is on what's it called? It's GM 1359 in healthy volunteers versus placebo. They're evaluating safety and tolerability. Um, Patients with HR positive breast cancer whose tumors have spread to the bone. So pretty exciting stuff. They're going to be reporting on a lot of data soon. Look at the stock symbol at the time of the video, GLYC. GLYC is the stock symbol of Glycomimetics. Time of the video is trading $2.87. Really exciting company here. I think there's a lot of potential here. Big risk, big reward. That's all the time I have for the video. If you did enjoy this video and content I'm creating, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow, and it's completely free to subscribe. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day.